Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn deriving equilibrium price and quantity mathematically using demand and supply functions. So let's start. A general demand function is represented as QD equals to A minus BP. We mark this equation as equation 1. It can be diagrammatically represented like this. If equation 1, which is this, is compared with a general linear equation y equals to c plus mx, we get c equals to a and m equals to b. As we know, demand curve is a negatively sloped curve. That means there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The negative sign in equation 1, which is this, represents the negatively sloped curve. Here A is the intercept and B is the slope of the demand curve. A general supply function is represented as Qs equals to C plus dP. We mark this equation as equation 2. It can be diagrammatically be shown like this. Here again in equation 2, which is this, we compare equation 2 with the linear equation y equals to c plus mx. Then we get c equals to c and m equals to d. As we already know that supply curve is a positively sloped curve, that means there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. The positive sign in equation 2 represents the positively sloped curve. I guess you already know what we are going to do next. And yes, we will now bring equation 1 and 2 together. To get what? To get equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. We will also bring both the diagrams of demand and supply together. Here, the diagrams of demand and supply curves are taken together, and the diagram is represented here. In the diagram, P star is the equilibrium price and the Q star is the equilibrium quantity. Now, we will take equation 1 and 2 and solve them to get the value of P star and Q star. The demand and supply functions are given as follows. In equilibrium position, we will observe QD equals to QS situation. We will now substitute the values of QD and QS from equation 1 and 2. In the next step, we will take A and C together on the left hand side and BP and DP on the right hand side. We will now take P as common from both the terms on the right hand side. And in the next step, we will isolate P like this. And we do this in order to get the value of P, which we further can identify as P star or the equilibrium price. Now we can quote the value of P, which is the equilibrium price or P star that we have obtained above in either equation 1, which is the demand function, or in equation 2, which is the supply function. Now the question is, why would we do so? We will do that in order to get Q star or the equilibrium quantity. So let's put the value of P in equation 1 and see what we get. We will first rewrite the demand function and then we will substitute P with the value of equilibrium price. And in the next step, we will open the brackets. The negative sign inside the bracket will change into positive. Now we will solve it accordingly. In the upcoming step, we will cancel out the same terms in opposite sign. Here, which is plus AB and minus AB, and we write the remaining terms. And now we got the value of Q, which is also identified as Q star or equilibrium quantity. Therefore, the value of equilibrium price or P star is A minus C divided by B plus D, and the value of equilibrium quantity or Q star is AD plus BC divided by P plus D. Hope you all have understood the derivation of equilibrium price and quantity. If yes, drop a like.